Okay, I have a fender repair here on a Q5. I'm going to try and metal finish it. So the process I usually take is take the paint off, spray a bit of Geico, which I've already done, and it shows you my low spots. I've good access in behind here. This is why I'm going to use a flip and a dolly. I'm going to try and get it out. So I'll do a video now showing you the process I do. Hopefully it helps you. So I'll just show you what I'm dealing with here. So there you go. Tweeze along here and along here. So like you can take the liner out, get up underneath there, but actually what I've done was the trim off of here. I have really good access in here. On here. So I'll do a video now to show you guys how I do this. Okay, so here we go, low area. What I'm going to use is a flip and a dolly. Hold on. Okay, so depends where you live. When I grew up, this was called a flip. Some places call it a slapper. Basically like a file. You can actually buy a file and heat it and bend it and create this. Then I have a dolly here. What I'm going to do is this area here, the highest points, I'm going to get that into my low area there, put pressure up, and then you hit down like this. And that will gradually bring the panel out. And then I'll give it a file. So here we go. Also, sorry, when I'm looking for this location, I want to hear a nice sound like this, a nice solid sound. I'll show you when I'm trying to locate it in there. You'll be hearing a real tinny noise. So then you'll know when you're on your point. So here we go. I'll start with this area. So I'm not on it there. Now I am. So you want to get that noise along here and then move it while I'm hitting it. So let me see. Here we go. I'm on it here. I'm going to move it back while I'm hitting it. So you get that. That's not it. You hear? You want to hear that noise. You're right here. I'm going to do this area now. This is a bit deeper. Okay, there we are. Feels like it's good, so now I'll give it a 5. You can see it leaves marks, so at least when you're doing it and you're moving, you can actually see it moving. Makes it easier for you. That's the good thing about spraying the black dye coat on it. So you'll still have a few more areas. see the shadow. Just repeat the process until you get it, boil it, get it nice and flat. I'll show you now. I'm going to locate again. Here we go. Try that. We're getting there slowly. A few more little areas. Can you see it in the camera? A few little areas along here. Back here. Good. One little area here. Okay, so the field's good. What I do is I have a dual action sander here, put a bit of 80 on it. I'll just brush over it quickly with the sander just to get any deep scratches. Then I'll buzz over with a DA with 80, 120, 180. And like I always say, if you like your painter, finish it with 320. Dual action sander. So there's a lock in this. You can push a pin on this and it will lock it. That as a sander. Unlock it and it's a DA. Keep it moving, don't stay in one area for too long. You don't want to get it too hot and warp it. Okay, I think we're good there. Now we'll get the DA. It's just my normal DA. Has a vacuum, so I like using this. So now I have 120. Remember to feather edge your paint out. You don't want to leave a really thick edge, because then when you prime it, that's going to show. You want to blend it out, get it nice and flat. To do then is a bit of wax and grease remover, just to see if you have any low spots. Hold on there, I get some. There it is here. Yeah, it's looking good. Hold on, I'll take the camera off, give you the proper look. Hold on, I turn the camera around. There's even a lot of rung marks with the wax and grease.